Welcome back, guys. Today is 2nd of November, one day before election night, and today we're going to be looking at Occidental Petroleum stock, which is trading today at $9.65, up 5.7% in the day. And I'm just going to be giving my opinion whether you should be buying this stock and when you should be buying the stock. So to start off, we guys all know that if Trump wins, then all stocks are probably going to rise. So that's one of the main reasons I'm making this video before the election date, because if Trump wins, you probably want to, or you see Trump winning, you probably want to get some oil stocks like Exxon, Chevron, or maybe even a risky stock like OXY. We all know that OXY has a 36 billion debt, so it is one of those risky stocks. But if oil prices can climb up, and as you know, Trump is not going to do a lockdown, I think Occidental is a great buy, and I think WTI crude oil is going to 50 really quickly. The cases in America have been rising, but I'm going to be getting you a very interesting fact soon that will change your whole psychology about these cases, because I'm just going to show you this afterwards. But before, I just want to quickly show you guys the credit ratings for Occidental Petroleum. So as you can see, some of these big banks like JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley have given it buy ratings of 14 and 19. So those are some one-year targets from these two big banks, and that's why I'm interested in this stock. One bad thing about the stock is I don't really like their leadership. Their CEO Vicky Hulub, I think she sold one of their assets in Colombia for a very cheap price, and I was pretty unhappy with it. But oh well. Now let me get into the coronavirus cases and then finally the vaccine and my final conclusion. You can see that USA's cases have been rising, 75,000 and 72,000 today. However, the deaths for the past 2 days have been shockingly low, only 400 deaths. And what that tells me is that with these record amount of cases, the deaths haven't been really rising. I mean, the deaths back in April were way more, and right now we had 400 deaths. So that's really not a lot. And maybe this virus is getting weaker and starting to go away. And we know that AstraZeneca is working on the vaccine. We know Pfizer is working on the vaccine, and the results should be hopefully out by November. And with that said, I think that Occidental Petroleum currently paying no dividend. I see a strong support level at $10 and $9, and their earnings on 10th November I think are going to be pretty strong, and I do see a rebound of Occidental to $15 at least in bare minimum, unless the market sentiment is really bad. But obviously it can break below if the earnings are not good, but I do think that Occidental is going to have an amazing earnings, and they are into a really nice business, and their break-even prices for oil is 30, so they are a very low-cost operator for oil, and their margins are pretty nice. So the only thing to worry about is their long-term debt of 36 billion because of their acquisition of Anadarko Petroleum, but it's long-term, and they do have 1 billion in cash. And do mind that they have to pay Warren Buffett 200 million every single quarter for his preferred stake dividend. That will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Occidental Petroleum has been falling a lot in the past 1 or 2 years, and this is the golden opportunity of buying the stock. As you can see, in June it did go to $25. But that'll be it for this video. Strong support support at the $10 mark. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.